Good day, students. Today we are going to discuss the proper nutrition in MAPE. So now before we start, are you ready to listen? Okay, so let's get started. Okay, before we proceed, kindly take a look at the picture. So now what did you observe? Okay, so children, they are exercising and okay, so there are healthy foods. So now, the picture has something to do with our discussion. Now, kindly listen carefully as we proceed to our discussion. Okay, so not all the foods are nutritious. Some do not help our body and make us malnourished. So what is malnourished? We have here malnutrition means lack of proper nutrient. The two types of malnutrition that we called overnutrition and undernutrition. Okay, so let's talk about the two types of malnutrition. Okay, so here's now the overnutrition or the overweight or obese. So as you can see on the picture, the kid is okay, so very big. So meaning his weight is over or overweight. That's why the kid is overnutrition. The next is undernutrition. Underweight if weight is less than normal. Okay, the other one, okay, he is thin or less than the weight of a normal person. So, he is undernutrition. We also have these three essential nutrients for our body. The first one is vitamins, next mineral, and protein. So, here for the vitamin, good for eyesight. Example, oranges, apples, carrots, okra, and beans. While the mineral, they are essential for our body to work properly. For example, avocado, grapes, spinach, and cabbage. Protein needed for normal body growth and repair of body cells. Example are meat, fish, and eggs. Now for your activity, answer the following and write your answer on your notebook. For I achieve 1 to 6 items only. For I create, okay, so you are going to print a picture of your favorite healthy snack. Paste this on a short bond paper. That's all for our discussion in MAPE. Thank you for listening and have a good day.